Hello again, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you and welcome to a new movie presentation about Kylone. In the previous weeks, we have added two new features into the Kylone streaming operating system. One of them is the possibility of using Unicable 1 and Unicable 2 support. So to be able to set up Unicable in Kylone, firstly you need to make sure that in the physical server machine you have a TBS 8 or 60 tuner satellite card. So the second step it's by going to the tuners tabs, yeah, and edit and select it as Unicable. As you can see, we have normal direct connection mode, multi-switch mode, and Unicable mode. Once the Unicable is established, you hit the save button, and then while you setting up the transponder, when you're adding the frequencies, yeah, you need to edit the transponder and fill in the special fields for the Unicable. For example, right here, yeah, you can see in this area, it's the Unicable setup of the transponder. Unicable means that you are able to assign certain frequencies, extra frequencies for satellite reception using one single cable from the specific Unicable LNB. Unicable, as you may know, there is two versions, version 1 and version 2. When you're purchasing a Unicable LNB, usually with the LNB you are getting also a such a data sheet of the LNB, and in this data sheet you will find each channel of the LNB. Some LNBs are 60 channels Unicable, some of them 24, some of them 28, some of them 32 Unicable frequencies. So for example, for this example, I'm gonna use a Line 24 frequencies. 8 of them, from channel 1 to channel 8, they are Unicable 1, and the other um, uh, frequencies, they are Unicable 2, as you can see in the datasheet provided by the LNB manufacturer. So why this is so important? This is very important because each frequency, each transponder which you doing lock and setting up into the Kylone, it needs to be added certain type of channel and with certain type of frequency. In the transponder 1, it's a vertical transponder. We added Unicable, as you can see, version 1, yeah, and the front and the frequency it's 1210. If we go to the Unicable datasheet, we can see that channel 01, yeah, it's user band 0, actually, right here, 01. We have the frequency 1210, 1210, yeah, and the Unicable version is version 1. We save it and then we can proceed to scan it with that specific adapter. If we go again to the transponder, for the second transponder, which is horizontal, yeah, we will set again Unicable, yeah, it's also version 1, user band 2, which it's correspondent to channel 2, and the frequency for the channel 2, as you can see, it's 1420, yeah, it's already set. Once we do the scan, let's save. Once we do the scan, we will see that these are the channels, the streams which are receivable from the satellite via the Unicable system. Well, this is the Unicable overall. So make sure that when you're using Unicable, firstly, you have the datasheet from the Unicable LNB, yeah, the datasheet. This part is very important, which you can see right here with the frequencies. make sure that it's connected with one single cable, and make sure that you are assigning properly in the tuner cards area the Unicable mode. And then as a third step, make sure that each channel, each Unicable channel is correctly assigned to the user band ID, aka the Unicable channel. Here, for example, I've set a V2 Unicable. Yeah, if we check user band ID 101305 is the Unicable 1305 right here, as you can see. Yeah, so it's correspondent. And after the scan, we can see right here that the channels are scanned and mapped. Pretty much this is it about Unicable. The second feature which we are added into the Kylone system is the possibility of adding content from YouTube, live streams from YouTube. If we want to use live streams from YouTube, certain live streams, yeah, it's quite simple. You just go to the other, you create a new record, you put some name, yeah, on the record, service name, YouTube, or I don't know, Vimeo or any other streaming services. You put the URL in the second field, you save it, and once it's saved, it should look like this, as you can see here. Once it's saved and prepared, you just have to hit probe, check source. Why? Because Kylone needs to separate audio and video PID, and if there are subtitles PID, also the stream analyzer need to analyze the stream and see if there are other PIDs such as subtitles, as I said, or encryption or any other PID. And after it's set, we have also post-processing, which means that a light transcoding it's applied. It's mandatory to apply some light transcoding over the incoming content. And once we have the content set into the other TS acquisition and other sources, yeah, we probe it, we establish the video PID, the audio PID, we add some very light transcoding, and then we just do commit and restart media server. Once the restart streaming engine or media server done, you can see here in the right corner that it's applying changes. We can go to the status and check if the stream started and it is processed and if it's working. This machine, for example, this demo testing machine which we are using in the lab, it also have a DVB-C modulator, the latest DVB-C modulator, which is 60 frequencies modulator, and right now it's set up with some modulation. But about this we're gonna discuss in a future video. As I said, the second feature is the YouTube streaming. So I have added some Romanian television free-to-air channel, which is Realitatea TV, and I'm gonna check. It started. It says it's green, so basically it should play. So to make sure that it's playing, I'm gonna go to stream URL and I'm gonna do a list, and I'm gonna look for the YouTube URL, this one from here. I'm gonna select the URL, I'm gonna copy, and I'm gonna play into the VLC. Let's see, paste. It should play. As you can see, this is from YouTube directly. It's coming. To be sure that it's from YouTube, I can show you again the source right here. This is the YouTube URL, yeah, and it is playing through Kylone system. to the Kylone operating streaming software system, as you can see. So the stream is coming from a URL from YouTube, and it's a little bit transcoded to post-processing inside the Kylone, and then it's streamed to a local VLC. Well, thank you very much. This is the two new extra feature available in Kylone. See you next time.